Hey there. Today I have this metal bird bath or bird feeder to share with you guys. The brand sent this over to me and it went together in under a minute. All the pieces are pretty much done. All you have to do is screw the pole pieces together and then put on the basin. Finally, take the wing nut off the bird piece and attach it to the side, retightening the wing nut. The bottom of the bird feeder has a 5-prong setup, so all that needs to happen is those covers on the ends need to be removed, and then you can insert it into the ground. So mine is not all the way down into the ground here because I'm trying to figure out where it's going to end up being in the yard full time. So this is super easy to put together. Good for bird seed, good as a small bird bath if you are looking for some ornamental small thing to add to the yard that's easy to put together and something that you can easily move if you decide to put it somewhere else in your yard. Then I hope this video helps you decide on if this bird bath is a good product for you.